You have probably seen them, those long white streaks left behind by airplanes. Some people don't think twice about them. Others, they believe it's something sinister. So what actually going on here? Earth is just harmless clouds? Or is there something more? By the end of this video, you will actually know the truth about one of the biggest aviation conspiracies out there. Alright, so first, what are contrails? Well, it's short for condensation trail, and honestly, it's just basic physics. When a jet engine burns fuel, it releases heat, carbon dioxide, and most importantly, water vapor. Now, normally water vapor is so spread out in the atmosphere that it doesn't condense into visible droplets or ice. But when it passes through the jet engine, these molecules get packed closely together, making condensation possible. Ever noticed how your breath turns into mist on a freezing day? That's exactly what's happening here, except at 30,000 feet, where the temperature can drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Instead of just mist, the water instantly freezes into tiny ice crystals, forming a contrail. But why do some contrails vanish instantly, while others stretch across the sky for hours? That's where things get interesting. It all comes down to humidity. If the air at high altitude is dry, those ice crystals quickly sublimate, meaning they go straight from solid ice to invisible water vapor, leaving no trace behind. But if the air is humid, the ice crystal persist. Not only that, but they can even grow larger as they attract more surrounding moisture, causing the contrail to expand into a thin, wispy cloud. There are people who truly believe that these trails aren't just ice crystals, but something far more sinister. Yeah, sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? There is zero scientific evidence supporting the chemtrail theory. No credible atmospheric scientist, meteorologist, or aviation expert has ever found anything unusual in air samples from contrails. So, where did this theory even come from? Well, believe it or not, it actually started in the 90s when people misinterpreted military reports on cloud seeding and geoengineering. Now, to be clear, weather modification does exist. Cloud seeding is a real thing. It's been used for decades to encourage rainfall by spraying tiny particles into clouds. But, and this is a big but, it's not the same as chemtrails. The conspiracy theory suggests that passenger planes are secretly spraying chemicals on global scale. And let's be real, that would be impossible to keep secret. Like imagine the number of pilots, mechanics and scientists who would have to be on it and somehow no one leaks a single document. Yeah, doesn't really add up, does it? But here's the plot twist. Contrails do impact planet, just not in the way the conspiracy theorists think. When contrails persist, they don't just float there harmlessly, they behave like natural cirrus clouds, which means they trap heat radiating from Earth's surface. This effect is called radiative forcing. Think of it like this. During the day, contrails reflect some sunlight away, but at night, they prevent heat from escaping into space. The net effect, a slight warming of the atmosphere. So while carbon dioxide from planes has a long-term impact on the climate change, contrails have an immediate effect, like an invisible thermal blanket. So the next time someone points at the sky and says they are poisoning us, you will know the truth. Contrails real, chemtrails not spotted by science. But do airplane affect the climate? Absolutely. So, what's your take? Have you heard someone swear chemtrails are real? Drop a comment below. I wanna hear what you think. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and visit Cosmic Colors for more fascinating and mind-blowing content. See you in the next one.